Is buying stuff for your car your passion? Then you need to watch this video. The video I have for you today features 15 coolest car gadgets worth investing in. You will find cool gadgets for your car here. Some are designed to improve your safety, some are designed to improve functionality, and some will even make your car look futuristic. Let's get started. Number 1. Dashcam. The dashcam keeps you, your car, and everyone in it safe. You may drive comfortably with a good view of the front and back of your vehicle. This dual dashcam has a 1296p quality front camera and a waterproof rear camera that captures the road clearly from both sides. When playing back, the 3-inch super big IPS display screen can show the real-time image, allowing you to view every detail as vividly as possible. Number 2. Black car laptop eating wheel desk. While you won't be driving with the laptop, this black vehicle laptop eating wheel desk will allow you to work and check your email while on the road. The TGAR vehicle tray table is essential for anybody on the street who has to stop for takeout. The vehicle desk features 2 sides, one for eating and the other for use as a car office. The little device is ideal for taking lunch breaks, viewing films on a phone or tablet while waiting, working on a laptop, traveling, and so on. Number 3. Zyla Stinger USB Emergency Escape Tool. Purchase a Stinger for your protection in the event of an accident. It is a car emergency tool and patented emergency escape tool with an innovative design that can be integrated into daily life. It is a helpful device that you should keep in your automobile. It serves a practical purpose as a phone charger that may be used regularly. Plus, 2 emergency gadgets might save your life in a vehicle accident. Number 4. Universal Anti-UV Sunshade Car Window Curtains. Want to have personal privacy? These sunshade car window curtains are perfect for you. The magnetic window curtains are breathable 160 GSM mesh cloth and include many high-effectiveness absorption magnets. It not only reduces glare and UV rays, but also has excellent air permeability and visibility. These magnetic side window curtains are suited for most models and are best used while driving slowly or closing windows. Number 5. Mini Fridge Electric Cooler. Keep your meal cold on the way to work or turn it too hot to keep your soup warm until it's time to eat. This compact electric fridge cooler can keep food warm beyond the food safety guidelines of 140 degrees Fahrenheit. It is a one-of-a-kind semiconductor operation that is energy efficient, ultra-quiet, and environmentally benign. Ideal for holding food, beverages, and snacks. Number 6. Amazon Echo Auto. If Alexa has become a fixture in your house, you'll be relieved to know that you can now take the virtual assistant with you. Meet the most popular smart speaker with a fabric design, the Amazon Echo Dot. Its little smart speaker fits nicely into small places and can make hands-free calls to practically everyone. With a connected Echo device, you can instantly check in on other rooms in your house or announce to all of them. Number 7. Rooftop Cargo Carrier. Cars usually don't have enough space to carry everything you need on a long road trip. This roof bag fits all vehicles, roof rack or no roof rack. It has 6 short tie straps and 2 long straps, making it simple to install in a couple of minutes. Number 8. Car Multi-Tool. The white and red LED flashlight, digital tire, pressure gauge, safety lock button, glass hammer, scissors, screwdriver, pliers, and seat belt cutter are all included in a car multi-tool. It contains 10 significant tasks that will assist you throughout your automobile travels in a tiny package. This multi-tool is a must-have for road trips and automobile safety gear. Number 9. Shark HandVac 2.0 Handled Vacuum. Crumbs, dirt, sand, and microscopic grains that find their way into your car may be a real hassle. Still, a portable vacuum can be a terrific alternative to uncomfortably cleaning them out with your hand or dangling cables out the window for Hoover extension cords. This hand vacuum is simple to clean. It is easy with a detachable dust cup and simply replaceable filter housing. It may be charged and stored in your car to be ready for any mishaps or to always maintain your vehicle clean. Number 10. Alexa-enabled car charger. Now, this is cool. Alexa is no longer limited to the Echo. She can now accompany you in your car. Simply press the microphone icon, ask her for directions, a neighborhood sub shop, or anything else you can think of, and she will assist you. You may have her take control and make or answer phone calls for you if your phone is hooked to the fast-charging USB 3.0 charger. Alexa-enabled equipment is often pricey, but Roab Viva is an anchor firm. Number 11. Car Signal Booster. This car signal booster works with all providers in the United States, including Verizon, AT&T, T-Mobile, and US Cellular. It supports the most recent 5G technology, delivering the most significant speed and service on any smartphone while reaching the furthest cell towers and boosting the signal for multiple devices. Number 12. Tire Repuncture Kit. This tire repair plug kit makes it simple and quick to fix punctures in all tubeless tires on most vehicles, including trucks, bikes, cars, off-road vehicles, AT motorcycles, etc. It is a heavy-duty insertion and reamer tool manufactured of zinc alloy that is long-lasting for standard appliances. The T-shaped handle design gives increased turning power and comfort. Number 13. Thermoelectric Personal Cooler or Warmer. A refreshing, pleasant beverage along the route is always required on a lengthy road journey. This cooler keeps your sandwich meats, drinks, or ice cream packets chilled in the heat. There's no CFCs or refrigerant, so nothing leaks or depletes the ozone layer. The cooler warmer employs thermoelectric cooling, a simple electrical current transfer. Number 14. Tire Inflator. The perfect gift for both man and woman. This tire inflator is composed of high-quality materials. In less than 5 minutes, it can inflate a 195, a 55, or R15 vehicle tire from 0 to 35 psi. When the air compressor reaches the preset pressure, it will turn off automatically. The compressor may be conveniently stored in your car or garage and ready to use anytime. We are now down to our last item, number 15. Car Blower. The automobile blower is meant to be used with one hand only. It weighs only 4.9 pounds and the ergonomic shape channels the wind in an easy-to-handle manner. It discovered how to fit a jet engine-style motor inside the lift blower. Super strong, yet not so loud that you will think it's about to take off. That's all for now. Those are the 15 coolest car gadgets to check out. Let us know in the comments what's your favorite. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, enable your notifications, and hit the like button to keep seeing more videos like this. Bye!